big cases before the spring. The future of American constitutional democracy will be determined in the next 6 months.
2024 is going to be the biggest year. I mean, obviously for a number of reasons, but I think it's not an exaggeration to say the biggest year in American history. Right after
definitely from an
1776.
American legal history. No question about that. In my opinion, you
Robert,
could argue Dred Scott, 1851, but that was limited to one, issue, a big issue, obviously. I mean, unfortunately, I get people that are skeptical of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court failed in 1851 when their Dred Scott decision gave us the Civil War, and it was the wrong decision, by the way. Then their sort of inconsistency in the early 1900s, granting and greenlighting eugenics, was the justification for the Nazis to do what they did and led to all of that horror. And more often than not, Korematsu, they're on the wrong side, Jacobson on the wrong side, Buck v. Bell on the wrong side, Dred Scott, wrong side, Plessy v. Ferguson, wrong side. There's a long list of decisions. I mean, they were the ones who created segregation in the South. They were the ones who decided not to enforce civil rights or civil liberties for a half a century in the South that led to all the problems in the South. So, I mean, the history is the Supreme Court fails when it's tested. I am hoping that this time they are politically cognizant enough that they don't fail this time.